Hi, my name is Ong Shuyi, and this is my video for assignment 1. The title of the research paper that I will be summarizing is Managing Classroom Behavior of Head Start Children Using Response Cost and Token Economy Procedures, written by J.D. Tiano, B.L. Forston, C.B. McNeil, and L.A. Humphreys. Published by Journal of Early and Intensive Behavior Intervention in the year 2005. What is response cost? Response cost is a term used for removing reinforcement for an undesirable or disruptive behavior. Response cost is also a form of negative punishment. What is token economy? Token economy is a form of behavior modification designed to increase desirable behaviors and decrease undesirable behaviors with the use of tokens. The tokens collected can then be exchanged for an object that is meaningful. And now we move on to the aim of the study. The aim of the research is to investigate the efficacy of 3 behavior management techniques. Techniques currently used by the teacher, response cost technique, and the level system technique, which is a form of token economy. Moving on to the hypothesis of this study. The first hypothesis states that the inappropriate behaviors in targeted children would decrease when level system and response cost is being implemented as compared to when the teacher is not using these approaches. Hypothetically, this means that without the level system and response cost being implemented, inappropriate behaviors would actually increase. The second hypothesis states that the effectiveness of level system and response cost would be of similar effectivity in lowering inappropriate behaviors. This means to say that whether or not you are using level system or response cost, they should have the same effect in lowering inappropriate behaviors. And now participants. There are 3 participants involved in the study. All of them are between the ages of 3 and 5. Participants are from southwestern Pennsylvania, and unfortunately, one participant withdrew from the study prior to a follow-up condition. In order to carry out the hypothesis, a response cost test is required. It is a concept that is very easy to understand, cost-effective, and time-efficient. First, participants are assigned to their shapes respectively. As you can see from the picture on the left, the shapes are placed on the top level initially. Inappropriate behaviors, such as throwing toys, will cause the shape of that specific child to move down 1 level. The level system technique is similar to that of response cost. However, instead of 4 levels commonly used in response cost, level system has 7 levels. Participants are also assigned shapes respectively and are placed in the middle level called the neutral zone. As you can see in this diagram, when a child behaves appropriately, their shapes move up a level, or when they behave inappropriately, they move down 1 level. In contrast to response cost, level system actually allows the child to be rewarded. However, in response cost, downward movements of shapes are only permitted. And now we come to the results and findings of the study. Researchers found that inappropriate behavior decreases when both methods are implicated. When both methods were withdrawn, inappropriate behavior did not return to the baseline levels. Also, inappropriate behavior continued to decrease, and this would actually contradict the hypothesis. During a CGI scoring of participants, Ruby's CGI score was found to be decreased from borderline range at post-treatment. This is due to a stimulant medication that she had been taking while the study was ongoing. We come to the conclusion of the results. Due to the fact that the inappropriate behaviors did not return to the baseline and that Ruby had withdrawn from the study, no conclusions can be made about the efficacy of the treatments. The continuation of decrease in inappropriate behaviors with both methods withdrawn could be due to the teacher's behavior. Level system may have impacted her skills, and she is encouraged to reinforce appropriate behaviors in the classroom. The teacher felt that the response cost had a stronger impact than the level system on the children. This may be due to the fact that the children felt like they had fewer chances to engage in inappropriate behavior and still earn the reward. In conclusion, this study allows one to determine if improvement in classroom behavior can be attributed to the entire level system program or certain parts of the program. The aim was met and the first hypothesis was proven. The researchers had wished for future research, a larger sample sizes to be utilized, and that rural and urban classrooms should be examined respectively.